Hello there, this is Charlie from Flying Life. Today I'm gonna take you on our weekend trip to Fredericksburg, Texas. We decided to head out for the weekend and stay at the Hangar Hotel. This is my first flight with a passenger, and my wife volunteered to come over. So as you can see, it's a straightforward fly from Houston Executive to T82, which is the airport servicing Fredericksburg, 160-mile trip. Pre-flight was done and we're ready to go. As you can see, here's my first passenger on board already. After the run-up was done and all cleared, we were authorized to depart runway 36 out of KTME. So here's the takeoff roll. After a very smooth cruise, we're approaching Gillespie Airport T82 and we're going to start our pattern work. Winds after checking the weather are for runway 14. After a very smooth landing, we are getting ready to taxi out of the runway and go to the ramp. And as you can see, the Hangar Hotel is right on the ramp. You have plenty of parking, free of charge. You tie down your plane and go straight into the hotel, which is themed for 1940s with an aviation twist. So it's a pretty cool place to come and stay. There's a diner actually next door as well if you just want to come over for a quick breakfast or lunch. Here we are at the bar and lounge at the Hangar Hotel. Pretty cool place to sit down and relax. When we were there, they had live music, so had a drink and relax after your flight. And in fact, if you go to the balcony outside, you have first row view of the ramp and runway. Pretty neat place, highly recommended. Well, we had a great weekend at the Hangar Hotel in Fredericksburg, Texas. Went to town, visited a couple of wineries, had a great time. Highly recommend it. So here we are, taking off from runway 14, heading back to Houston. And I'll leave you with the rest of the video for you to enjoy. And thanks for liking this video and subscribing.